Yeah, good day, my viewers, my listeners, and to all my subscribers on my channel. Yes, I'm bringing you another reasons why we should take technical analysis serious. Looking into price action. If you look at my trend now, currently, I'm entering another position because I know I'm going to cash this spike with ease. Following the trend, what is happening now on the trend. Now if you look at what is happening now, we have the movement, the trend in this form, in this format. This is the trend, current trend now, the current going trend. And if you look at it closely, you can see it's taking a pattern. It's taking a pattern. It goes on and off and on, though it's on a selling trend, but it's taking a pattern right now. It's taking a pattern. It went bullish this morning around that 8, 9, 10, and I was very much available to grab some, you know, to catch some spike here. Was very much available. So I want to show you guys, this pattern is another easy way to, to avoid being spiked and to catch the spike, to get these spikes along the line as the trend is, you know, going downward, as it's progressing downward. So this is it. Look at all the touches. Look at the touches. I saw this. I know something like this is about to happen. I saw this one and this. I saw these first two actions here, and I took the third one and got a positive result. Now I'm expecting the fourth result. The fourth result any minute from now. I'm expecting the results anytime soon. So let me take this out for those who still don't understand what we are doing here. This is a downward trend, but the trend is not going to be smooth. It's going to go down with spikes alongside. And for you to judge this correctly, first of all, you look at how smooth the trend is. If it's going to go smooth all the way, there's no need for these actions I'm taking now. This is accurate price action I'm taking. Whenever the spike comes up, you can take the candles from up at least 3 4 5 candles, and you exit, you wash out for the spike, and you take 3 4 5, just as I did. I took um immediately I saw the spike came up, I took these candles and exited the trade somewhere around this region. you know I was using my small mobile to do a video when a call came in, so I had to pause and come here to do it all over again. Now this is it. Look at what happened here. To get the accuracy of this, you have to draw a trend line showing that the spike is not going to go above this line. Then there's another trend I'm seeing down, take a downward trend. This is it. This is the movement and this is the action. Okay, this is what we are looking at. Now now we are expecting the spike in this region. Now we're going to draw take another trend line on this. you know as soon as the price cuts through this trend, this line, now we're going to see a spike that will take the trend upward again. We're going to see a spike that will take the trend upward. Then it will retrace again until it gets to this last moving average. Sorry, it will go back and forth until it gets to this guy, and we're going to see massive spike. Immediately touches the spike, the trend touches this moving average, we're going to see massive spike that will take that will break through this line and take the trend upward a bit, and start all over again. So this is how the trend is going to be like this morning. It's going to go this morning. I want us to look at it very well. This is a more technical way to take on this trade and to be successful trading boom 1000. You must observe, you must know how these things work. In case where you don't know, you ask questions. Whatever you don't know, you ask questions. Whatever you need to understand, whatever you don't understand, you ask questions. You can call me, chat me or stuff, or something like that. Just watch out. Just we're gonna see the spike. spike will come no matter how the trend plays. It's going to be, you know, it's going to come in this region. So we are expecting it. And another thing again, this is another confirmation. This is another confirmation that the spike will come any minute from now. This is another resistance zone. It's a resistance zone. It's a resistance zone also acting as a support. This is a resistance zone. If you look at the trend, the trend jumped earlier today. It jumped this region and went upward, and now the trend is coming back to this resistance zone. This is a resistance zone, and we are going to see what will happen any minute from now. So let's pause the video. I don't want this to be that long. I just want you to understand how this thing goes. So I'll pause the video and come back again. Yes, I said it, and it has spiked. It has spiked, and I'm in profit. As you can see, it's just spiked now, and it didn't go above my trend line. Look at it. As you can see, it didn't go above my line, the line I drew. Look at it. So this is more technical. It is more technical. If you want more knowledge on this, you want to know more about this, I don't know how to do it. Please guide me. You need a personal tutor, like, just DM me for more info. Just write me. Let me know. No, no, just write me. Call me. I'll be available to give you, you know, answers. I'll be available to respond to your call. And if you want to join my VIP group, you are free. You are free. You are welcome. My VIP group will not cost much. I won't charge you much. Just something to let you know that it is, as in, nothing good come easy. At least you must pay, because I know how much I have spent learning this for a very long time now. I've been into this trade for some time now, and I know how much I have put in as a man and my effort so far, to get this accuracy. So I want to encourage you guys, you all out there, if you want to learn, just inbox me. I have a school, I have an online classes that I take. I do video with my clients, with my students and stuff like that. So whatever you want to learn, whatever thing you don't know about boom and crash, whatever you don't know, just give me holla and I will respond to you. Thank you guys for watching this short video. I want you to, go dig deep into technical analysis. Like me, like my person, the way I'm created, I'm a technical person. I like doing technical things. In fact, I did my studies in school back then. It was a technical course, more of physics, calculation and stuff like that. So I I I have this mental picture of how to, put things in place and in order, and this has really helped me. So if you want to learn more on this, on how to, cash spike and how to take trade, I can even place a sell now and sell to the next, you know I can place a sell and sell to the next, which is this moving average now. My 100 moving average is about coming up. I can place a sell in this range and still sell to this level, because this is my resistance zone, and I will still get more profit. So this is Mikey's school of sorry, this is Mikey's Forest School of Business Management. You can inbox me. Just give a thumb up to my videos. Subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. This is your first time of coming here. Subscribe to my channel, and then you'll be the first to get. You turn on your notification button so that you'll be the first to get notified whenever I drop any informative video, any useful video. So thank you guys. Thank you all for subscribing. Thank you for viewing my page. Thank you for coming into my channel. I really appreciate this. One love, guys. See you in the next clip. Bye for now.